settle in. Shooters ready, stand by.
You know?
It's hot!
Yes? Okay.
Too late.
Too late.
What we call a French fry. Ready, stand by. Good job. Killing it with those irons. Killing it with those irons.
Thank you.
Have you ever tried a dot?
No,
You would be lights out fast. And
I think so.
accurate if you ran a dot. You want to try it?
No. I have one, but I never use it.
Oh, you gotta use it. Gotta use it.
I'll try.
Okay. No. Yeah. And then take your mag.
Yes. There was already a round in?
Yes.
Okay.
Holster. Ready? Stand by. Working back. Stand by. One more time down. You got the ammo for it? Ready? Stand by. More aggressive exit. Transitions are great, but no exit. That's a big target. You're a talented kid. You'll be confident exiting much more aggressive. We got ammo to go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very tough, huh? One more time on the way back. On the front to rear. Front to rear. Ready? Stand by.